What if the rumors of a highly anticipated camera coming out this year turned out to be true? What if this mysterious patent that Sony filed turned out to be the Sony a7000 or the Sony a7S III? What if everything that you hoped and dreamed that this camera would be actually turned out to be true? And what if some of your favorite YouTubers had predictions of their own? I wonder what they would say.
What if the A6700 actually ends up getting 6 custom function buttons and we never have to go into the menu again? That'd be awesome.
What if the Sony a7S Mark III had 4K 60 frames? Jeez.
What if the a7S III has 4K RAW, 60 frames per second? What if the a7S III has actual usable Wi-Fi?
Okay, what if the a7S III had a built-in ND filter? Dude, that would be like sunglasses for your camera.
What if it had USB charging and you could transfer your data? Just in case I forget my dongle here. What if it had better weatherproof sealing? Is this bad luck? Am I gonna have bad luck now?
What if the a7S III had higher bit rates in 1080p? Or just higher bit rates in general?
We talking about the A7S III. All we want is that 4K 60.
What if the A7S III recorded good quality video in low light?
What if the rumored Sony cameras became our perfect go-to cameras for family vlogs? I know, that's what I'm hoping for.
What if the Sony a7S III had the autofocus performance of the a6500 with the low light performance of the a7S II? Now that would be a pretty killer setup.
Okay, all right. But what if the A7000 was the world's first crop sensor camera to have a full frame?
What if it had dual card slots so you could back that thing up?
Yeah, don't show anyone this raw stuff. Ow!
What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, progress. All right, let's do this again.
Thanks to Dee for allowing me to be a part of this. Kitty here, I'm out. Done.
So, what about me? What are some of my predictions for these supposed cameras coming out later this year? To be honest, I'd be totally happy with whatever Sony throws us our way. But the one feature that I would love to see in these supposed new cameras is a much more robust body than the Sony a6500, because this